Morning. Walking mis tatay layo kaayo mi og walkingan karon. Gikan sa among balay punta dito sa KCC. Dayon mulusok mi dito sa Waikiki. Dayon moabot sa Alamoana Center. Kay moadto sa Sam's mopalit og itlog. Layo ka miglakon si tatay. Muna among activity rong sa yung buntag Sabado. Kay siya pa kaon kog daghang tamis. So I have to burn them out. The calories. So dalo na ko ingon si tatay. Layo ka miglakwan. So good morning everyone. This is our first destination. Amo ang unang destination ni tatay gikan sa balay. We are at the back of KCC, Kapilani Community College. So back of KCC, our first destination. Harap may mulakaw, mas harap ako ni tatay mulakaw. Kaya naanad mong walking og layo kay punta sa ako ang school, gikan sa akong bus stop. Okay, back of KCC. We are still at the back of Kapilani Community College or KCC. And in front of us is the Diamond Head Crater, which is very popular for the tourists, popular with them. So they always go there when they come to Hawaii, especially in Oahu. And in here, the back of KCC, we see a tamarind tree. Sambag. See, di po ko kaabot. Mangabot ang tako. No? Sambag. No? Tsada kaayo. Sambag ni siya, tamarind. Okay, so that is the Diamond Head Crater. One of these days we will go back there to the top. So we are now going to the front of Kapilani Community College. There's a lot of cars because it is Saturday, it is market. So we just come here not to buy anything, it's expensive. It's more cheaper in Chinatown still. But there's a lot of people, there's a lot of tourists. You will have fun just watching all those people. So we are here. See, early in the morning you get this view of nature. So nice. This is what you see in front of KCC. Huge and old cactus. Isn't it so nice? Mesmerizing. Tsada jud siya kaay ilang taon. Ang daghang sakyanan na napandul sa tatay. Daghang sakyanan kay daghang tourist na ug locals. Adto sa market nila. Okay, so nice. So good. Okay, this is the market now in KCC. So see, there's a lot of people. They are mostly tourists. But we just don't go there. We always go there when we come here. But we ended up buying nothing because it's very expensive. So that's KCC market. There's a lot of food stalls, everything that you want to buy. Napoy na maligyan, mga tanom, mga italano, mga prutas, mga abubot na idaghan. So this is KCC on a Saturday. We are just outside. Okay, KCC market every Saturday. We sometimes come here, but we always end up buying nothing because I can compare the prices. So it's expensive probably because it's basically for the tourists. So if you are local, you can really feel the difference, and you can see the difference of the prices, but tourists don't care. So this is KCC. So this is the park for the Diamond Head Crater. Just a part of it. That's in front of Kapiolani Community College. And now we are going down to our next destination, which is we're going down to Waikiki Beach. Now it's different view when you go down to Waikiki. You can see a lot of tall buildings, so we are going to those tall buildings over there. So it's a different view from our place to KCC. This is Culinary Institute of the Pacific, by the Kapiolani Community College. So anhin ang mga ganahan magatuon og luto-luto. So this is for the Pacific, the whole Pacific. So this is an international school for culinary. Culinary Institute of the Pacific. It's a sprawling building. It's not tall, but it's sprawling going to the back. It's really good. This is the entrance. Culinary Institute of the Pacific, Kapiolani Community College, University of Hawaii. So huge. So international students who want to become chef come here. Okay, we are now here in Waikiki sa Tatay. So at the back of us is Honolulu Zoo. That's Honolulu Zoo. And here I turn around, and this is Waikiki Shell, where concerts, big concerts are being held also. it's our second destination for the morning, which is Waikiki Beach. Yeah. It's a long. So we are now in Waikiki. So tiring. It's so good. So this is still Waikiki and the beach. So this is our second destination for the morning. Just walking. The pink building, the pink hotel is Royal Hawaiian Hotel. That's the oldest hotel in Waikiki. This is International Market in Waikiki. So nakapit ni si tatay kay movie with me. Namihi. Kaya yung aming destination. So International Market. Tesla, Rolex and Valencia. This is the saddest part of Waikiki. This is not really international market. It's now high-end market. It's unlike before. As Elon Musk. This is the center of International Marketplace. This is the center stage where Hawaiian culture presentations are being done with a lot of tourists. So wala mi kaihi kay sigurado pa. Yes, gis pa. Insert mi sa mo ang sapaw kay sakit hawak, basa nang hawakan, nakalimot mi ganiha. So break basa mi kaya mo usang i-insert manamon ko padaplin ra sa tatay akong giignan kay aron ang hawakan sa short dili mo basa kaayo magasakit ng hawak, layo kay miglakaw. This is still in International Market, still in our second destination, which is the Waikiki. So we are now almost to Ala Moana Park. So this is Daniel K. Inouye Asia Pacific Center for Security Studies. Daghan ganon ang Pinoy mo anhe, mga military, when they are studying something in the military. On our way to our third destination, we passed this Hilton Hawaiian Village Hotel. We reached our destination, Ala Moana. This is our third destination. Our final destination is of course Sam's the store. So this is Alaway Boulevard. Isn't it so nice? So refreshing. So Alaway Boulevard. That's the marina. So we're now going to Ala Moana. Kapoy, almost 2 hours na namang lakaw. Santita tay. Kapoy na katay. Kapit na tamo abot. Palitag tubig kay giuhon ako. Our last destination for the day. To buy eggs. So we are done for the day.